After learning the basics of dictionaries, now we people are going to write the program.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
So we will come to know how to make a dictionary and access its elements. I have already created a project with the name My Dictionary. Press the right mouse button, go to new, choose Python file and give it any name. Suppose I am going to give the name dict1. Okay. So this is the name of the Python file. So full name will be dict1.py, as you know. So now let me give the comment. What I am going to do in this particular lecture is I am going to show you how to create a dictionary and how to access its elements, right? So this is what we are going to see in this program. So I am going to take a dictionary. The syntax goes like this: my dict1 is equal to, within curly braces I am going to give the pairs. As you know, a pair consists of two things, key and its value. So one colon passed. I intend to write past. One colon passed means key is 1 and value is passed. So this is the pair, key is 1, value is passed. Okay, after comma I have given the second pair. The first is key 2 and second is its value failed. So key and values, they are separated with colon. Okay, so here I will show you how to access a particular element. So what I will do is I will write print my dict1, within square bracket I have written 2. So key is 2 and the value against it is failed. So when I execute the program, we should get the output failed. I have pressed the right mouse button on the program, then click on run. Instead of writing print, I have mistakenly written printf. Again, re-execute the program. Okay, and this is the output, failed. Why? Because I have chosen the key 2, my dict1 within square bracket 2. So what is the corresponding value? Failed. So failed was printed. So now I have changed it to 1. So the key is 1 and its corresponding value is passed. So I will re-execute my program and let me see the result. Yeah, it's passed because the value of the key 1 is passed. That has been printed. So far so good. Okay. Now next we will see we can have mixed data types of keys. So I'm going to give an example. I'm going to take another dictionary, my dict2 is equal to, within curly braces I'm going to write suppose 10 colon and 10 is the key, and after colon I am going to give the corresponding value, that is India, then comma, other pair is going to be given. The first thing is key of the second pair, first thing key is U, colon, and any corresponding value. Suppose I am going to write United States of America. Now as you can see, what I want is, if user wants to print India, user will be supplying the key 10, otherwise user will be supplying the key U. So you can see there is a combination of integer and string keys. So run this program. Okay, let me use print statement, print, and here I am going to write my dict2 within square brackets. Let me give U. So U key is in the form of string and corresponding value is United States of America. As you can see, the output is quite okay, United States of America. Now let me try it with the integer key, that is 10. So for integer key 10, the corresponding value happens to be India. So output should be India. Yes, the output is right, it is India. Okay, so these are the things that you have learned. Mixed data types are allowed in dictionaries, and always remember dictionaries are immutable and there is no indexing system because dictionaries are list of unordered elements. Now I will show you that we can also have a list as a value. So it's very easy to prove. Now what I am going to do is I have taken the key A colon all world conference. Suppose I want to write all world conference. So what I want is when the key A is supplied by the user at the time of using print, that is at the time of accessing, the message all world conference should be there. After comma I have given the key B, then colon, after colon we are supposed to give a value, and as you can see this time over the value is not a normal value, rather it is a list. So again see it, A, for A all world conference, for B this whole list 100 200 300 400, the elements of the items of this list will be printed in the event of choosing B. So let me show it to you. I am going to write print my dict3 is the name of the dictionary, and within square brackets I have written A. So what should be the output? It should be all world conference. In order to execute the program, you can also press Control Shift F10. Control plus Shift plus F10. As you can see, all world conference, the output is correct. Now I am going to give B. The key is B. So the whole list 100, 200, 300, 400, it should be printed. I have re-executed the program by pressing Control Shift F10, and as you can see 100, 200, 300, 400, the value of this list is getting printed.